So classic background meant to say. To also have 3D resources here. 3D resources. So these are 3D models. Yeah, 3D resources, yes. So you can make use of these resources here. They're actually PNG, very transparent. Let's check this out. Crazy books. These are.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Tai Emmanuel. So I would actually be sharing with you guys free massive resources. Yeah, I call this free massive resource package. It's actually very how do I put it, very big, massive. Yeah, something massive. Yeah, I'll be giving you guys for graphic designers. Yes, I also have more resources that entails graphic designing in my previous video, video editing and lots more, but then this is just for graphic designers. So what will these resources entails? It entails stock images, 3D models, backgrounds, websites. The amazing thing about these resources is that it's make your design process like it reduces the time in which you go up and down looking for resources. So you have all these resources at the tip of your finger. So if you're my new subscriber, you're coming across my video for the first time, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification, and you can go back to my previous videos. You would see a lot of resources there. Yeah, so it would actually be beneficial to you. So do well and don't miss it. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight into what we have in the package.
So guys, let's go straight quick into what we have. So we have a lot of resources here. So these are premium PC softwares. Yes. So these are actually just Adobe Photoshop and Adobe AI and also Illustrator software. So if you click on it, it will take you to the access where you get it. So we also have a lot of books for graphic designers. Yes, these are top notch. So 20 sites to get color inspirations. So I don't want this video to actually be a long one. So these are 20 sites that will give you color inspirations. You're struggling with colors, how to combine colors together. There are secrets to these things because nobody is an island of knowledge. So you just do well to read these books and be familiarized with these websites. So gain familiarity with this website, and then you search for colors, implement these colors, and your design system would actually change. So do well to visit those sites. So these are also some pretty do and don'ts in design. So let's take for example this one. Do not look out for what's new in the design world, what's trending, what's hot right now. Checking out for other designers are doing great, inspired. So there are also many others do and don't. Like, okay, that was actually a do, so a don't like that. So let's check out for a don't. Okay, don't use too many fonts in one design. Yeah, this is pretty good, and it's I'm an advocate of that. So don't use too many fonts that would make your design look clumsy and not readable like that. So do well to know the do and don'ts. Everybody have their own do and don'ts, what they don't like. So but then as time goes on, if you're a beginner, you then know how to structure your work, in which you would allow some and some you won't allow. So how to handle client objection. So this is mind-blowing. I believe me, it's not a long PDF. So I know many graphic designers don't like reading. So this is just 10 pages. So do well to read this. It will help you because a lot of time we do have rejections. Having rejections doesn't mean that your work is not outstanding or you are not good enough. Even the most professional graphic designers do have rejections, and most of these rejections are actually simply because of the lack of understanding of the brief. or there's a glitch in probably one or two things like that. Yeah, so we do have rejections. Everybody do have rejections. So it's part of growing as a designer, because if you don't have rejections, nobody is there to tell you this is wrong. Yeah, you would not be able to grow. So I say rejection is part of growth. So the creative mind, yeah, this is actually to bring out the creativeness in you. I read this actually. Yeah, I read this. This was around I think during COVID. Yeah, when I got in line with Mr. Godwin. Yeah, so I read this book. So the also, so I actually dishing this out just for free. I didn't pay for this, so I'm giving this out. So the profitable graphic designer. Yeah, a skill is not just for providing solution. It is also a medium of exchange. It's also a medium of putting food on your table. Definitely, nobody will do graphic design if it's not putting food on your table. Do you understand? So we try as much as possible to read these books. They are not much. This is something that within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you pick the key points there, and we are good to go. So also has a lot of resources here. These are books for like personal developments, like time management, um, like that. So and the likes. So we also have 260 design inspirations. These are design inspirations whereby you can pick probably you're designing a birthday flyer, but then you can go with this, and you can also um use Pinterest websites. I always, there's no graphic designer that doesn't use Pinterest websites. Even motion design designers, even website designers, they do make use of Pinterest, because that's where you find inspirations. But then don't limit yourself to those websites. You can also leverage Behance, you can also leverage Instagram, leverage Facebook, and you just see a design you like the concept, just pick it and you keep it in your archive. So it would save you a lot of stress when you have a job at hand. So alright, I do that too. So these are 1000 resources. I might not have opportunity to open all because I don't want the video to actually be a long one. So these are also resources that you can use in your design projects. Yes, trust me, these are top-notch resources. So let's check another file. So these are class background. I think my internet, it's kind of slow. So classic background, meant to say. To also have 3D resources here. 3D resources. So these are 3D models. We are 3D resources here. So you can make use of these resources here. They're actually PNG, very transparent. Let's check this out. Crazy books. These are still like an artist. Yeah, I read this book again for the third time this week. So you can't, you didn't get a point from the book. Keep on reading the book. Not really that I didn't get a point from it, but I wanted it to sink in within me. So these are crazy fonts, crazy. I may not have opportunity to open all because I don't want this video to be a long one. Just taking you through what are in the design resources. So a lot have actually been I've showed you guys in this Google Drive. So I will be leaving the link to the Google Drive in the description below. If you're my previous subscriber or you're just coming across my video for the first time, yeah, previous subscribers actually know the pattern in which I released this video. So you would see a drive below, and it actually has a passkey embedded in it. So those passkeys actually at intervals of this video. So if you didn't get the passkey at the intervals of this video, please do well to rewatch the video back, and you get it pretty good. Yes, it's not that stressful at all. So if you watch the video very closely, you get access to the passkeys. There are 6. So and as these passkeys are 6, they are at interval 2 at interval, another 2 at interval, another 2 at interval. Just look around the interface of the video. Yeah, you get the passkey. So also, because of a bonus, I actually want to do a bonus for you guys. Yes, so I would also be giving out free free resources here. So let me check for it. So it's actually a free stock image, like for Evanto. Yes, I got this from Evanto Element. So actually got this from, so let me share it with you guys. I just thought I should share it. So just look at how much these resources are. Not what I wanted. So there are lots of resources here, very sharp, believe me. So there are so many resources here, so many, a lot of resources actually here. So do well to watch video to the end. I would also attach this into the drive so that you would have access to these resources. So a lot resources are here. So a lot of resources are here. So do well to watch the video to the end, and if you don't get the access, it's definitely the passkeys I think are well, so you get the access, please. Yeah, thank you guys. Do well to drop a comment immediately you get the access, please, so that others will know that it's actually valid. Yes, thank you.